Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to archive tasks on Asana. So you can see this is the main interface of Asana. So first of all, now we will click on create project. Now click on create new project. Now type the project name, like I'm typing archived tasks. So now you can see we have typed the name. Now click on continue. Now again click to go to project. Now our project is finally opened. So now we will open the relevant project archive tasks. So now you can see this is the many other projects. So now what we need to do, just show, you can click here and show the details. Also add a project task, like I have added this. So you can also click on details. Now you can see there are multiple tasks added in this project. Now we will add archive task. So after completion of work, you may archive or delete all files on Asana. So in this way, you can simply archive all tasks on Asana.